A, Buti. Okay, what is your answer? What is your answer? Tamaray. Okay, what's your answer? Letter? No, continue. I need for you need to raise your hand if you're reading. What is your answer? Okay, salesperson. Let's check. It's correct. Good job. Yeah, okay, so there. Okay, group number 11. Number 2. Okay, got 1 point. Okay, sit down please. Okay, next student. Next student. Bye-bye. I want you to choose your representative na. Leo. Okay, ready? Okay, number 2. Are you ready? You need to raise your hand if you know your answer, okay? Go. Okay, the jacket in the window is when at a low price. A, advertisement. B, pharmacy. Okay. Your answer. What is your answer? What is your answer, Leo? A, B. Okay, let's check. Letter B. Okay, it's correct.